This is a tutorial on how to create your own game from scratch. First, you need to go to Sprite Levels and create a new level for your game. You can draw a new level or you can upload your own. When drawing, try to use straight lines, which will be the platforms on which the player can jump. You can upload your own levels and improve the graphics. Remember to rename the level to 0 so that it is the first level. The background can be any choice. White would be best for testing. Don't forget to also rename it to 0. The first level and the last level are 0 for your first game, so make sure that the current level and the last level are set to 0 in the stage backdrop. Defining a level is done at the end of Sprite Levels in Generate Test Level. First, you set the size to 100%. You can set the size to larger if you want a bigger level. Level num is the number of the level used, in this case 0. You can try and test your level. Currently the dog can jump on platforms. The dog is too large for the level. It gets stuck easily. There's a platform at the bottom which resets when you fall. It's called Sprite Restart. You can draw your own character for the game. You can start by using stick figures at first. There are two types of costumes that the player can have, normal and super, according to the power-ups. After normal, there's a 0, which indicates it's the first level. There's a drop shadow, which detects collision. Sprite drop shadow is the sprite which detects collision. You should set a distance from the center and also a scale so that it matches your sprite. Click the green flag repeatedly in case the setting doesn't work. You can also scale the player as well. The sprite can be larger or smaller. We can set the level offset on X and Y axis. This allows the player to start at the left or right of the original position. So if you want to start the game from a different position, you should change these numbers. The player starts slightly to the left because the offset is put to 150. The floor is the sprite restart. When the player touches it, the game restarts. In this case, we put it to minus 100, so it's just below the level. Level also needs a goal. This is the exit. A pink cat is the goal in this game. When the player sprite touches it, the level is completed. There's a blue detector, which you can see. It detects when the sprite touches the exit. You can change the sprite's position manually. You can also see the detectors. Press CR to enter the command line and press Show T to enter a command. To hide the detectors, set num almost invisible to 100. And that's it.